Well, Jay, Kinscala, the imagine the Krella Bocha or TikTok at my Hogality camera, Marsha, should them cut 2 word am I on the shot. I guess, my Japan on the phone, using with the camera on the phone, like Erechi, to my in chart TikTok. I'm here on TikTok to my left on my smartphone, my phone. Guess, well, the selling will be anlane wagaile as what Asian. Wagaile will der Kirka, so I'm nicht agus well Asian Australia, so rugby. So yesterday was a great day. Galway won in the hurling, the semi-final, beat Cork, and they beat Ireland, beat Australia in the rugby. Anla, the man says to go nay. Ach, just in a sort of Krella Bills or Gairich, well, the sort my Gina and the couple of buglets in them. I really my timer. My timer, fe nomad, mas fedulum. Fe nomad, yeah. Fe nomad, ernis, Marshall. There's a phenomat in Katja, bear a macht. There's your Dublin Transit, spotter, hello, Jehoch, doesn't go to go ma. Doesn't go to go come out, good bad time with us and Jerry Shafton. Hopefully you're enjoying the weekend. Hopefully Dublin Transit Spotter is enjoying the weekend. That's so long go well. Tamish Mardush met them as I could jump of work I had in a. I'm over the moon because Galway won yesterday. I was agents, the rugby fresh and Ireland in the rugby as well. Agus if I can go coupled then some Krella Bjornish. Yeah, there's a few people through about my cap, we were through. I think there's 3 people. Nisa me more and Dina on melt to sort Beja will Dina can tell me that fitter is shades, John the Masha Beja will Dina Gina no to know the kinch Elle, that's right. Brand warm so maybe some people, maybe a lot of people are eating their dinner or doing other things better things than to be looking at my TikTok live stream. Beijing, Neil Sam. I reached on Mars Gahuntul, Mars Gnach, to my last day in Kestagert. I kest Gihom. Any questions you have for me, I'll do my best to answer any question within reason. That's well sort. Which Munche, because Nachwilling Hishni Garshula. Also, Garshul means kind of like vulgar. Vulgar is Garshul, so what Nachwilling Hishni Garshula on. When I not Costilla Brown and mate, and I get Hermachara and Shaw and her. Was Gerald Gordine doesn't Geraldine gonna mad the oil tomato tomato movate movate Geraldine Cumra the beaches no better Cumra Dini the Sam sort Sto you need a sound ni rod ni some better barrel lochos no ni some mach knuckle by loch marshon on get a mate by Victor no bro no mate ni more on assassin roach I thought I close to yan doing ni shin on my aim can hear to the movate or to mate Thomas blah 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 as corner Oshin movate with a telly in a ray, Oshin movate with a radio. That's, everything's machine. So, well, my year like just Taki, Agurch, Rafat, which at that moment is Nahulcha, Nahulakisni Garshul, Makisni Garshula. Agus which I fear that an focal put no putty scalke. Need Sam. Need Sam new hall machine hana. New hall machine hana. Weet je gewoon. Sin het hier Oshin. sinna déarú sin agus beidir te fiar ní le sam ní cháil me sin hána ach ceché litin tú méid áhaí le sam ní sem mas mí fad IT ach beidir bin deach focail compta sin focail béir le deach leis canon scail géirbeidir. I think movaid, that's probably just kind of a semi-made up word, but or just with an Irish Gaeilge accent. Beidir, níl sam. Sinna díar Finvan ba, FIONNBH, BN, cum leis ceann. Agus se bhfuil ní sam bhfuil cheiste le sin inis bhí me ma cosing o chlyffe no fi cwndach lawer yn ei lwymnach wel lwymnach le cwpl o pwyntio agos mae rhaid gael yn ei lwymnach o gan caikish be caikish is Fortnite for those who don't know caikish gan caikish in the Fortnite's time caikish is fortnight 2 weeks Lacuna J, boy for Gaile. I say things like Lacuna J or Tasula Gia, even though I'm not religious. I just say it's a term of expression, I suppose. Like Gia is God. Lacuna J with God's help, or Tasula Gia, like I hope to God, I suppose. I say things like that in Irish, but it's even though I'm not religious, like I'm not anti-religion or anything, but some people are very bothered by saying things like Giahuch or J, like Jedun or Jalun, the names of the week, have God before them or Giahuch or things like that. I don't care. It's just a free figure of speech. It's just their chairman's coming on. Cén nach chun me cráfach religious. Ní má cráfach ach má sin hain is coming it's coming sa jowl so jowl is devil, so I don't give a damn coming sa jowl. Another kind of religious word, I suppose, the devil. Ní chun te sam cén nach chun má cráfach rudí mar sin tá sam chuine má dtíine ar TikTok an as á chuile viidir the skilla rás ar dá ní mailim beag brother kins beag má focail cin teile nát Jedún an nát Giahuch hai an nát Giahuch nóir mar ní le nach focail nach cumach díalan ní le nach coppla ní le nach focail muidir tean na cheiste le dúirt Sarah Giahuch ag brenn ó fáile uáile go má Giahuch Sarah tá sa bhfuil go má dúnach sa dún sa bhfuil ba taine was a dear seachtaine up here during the weekend agus dúirt fun bíon is tá sé ceang se lena teanga agus dúirt sin Nora Dalton agus just mar a chuit agus mis flesin. Sure, tá beirt asú fáile mar se bhfuil tá beirt two people from Offaly, so that's one might say that's awfully rare to happen. Ní rovinnic a víns nís mú a dyn amháin asú fáile a castarort sa sail. It's not very often you meet more than one person from Offaly. Charéchi tá beirt sa creile beote mar se is gormagaí bheith páirteach sa creile beo. Thank you for participating in the creile beo because it helps cabhainn se mai mar rás a ceann dearnach bit ein teach chuid cnéalrat caint le tain. Tá sé sort mí nádorach na riir bheith caint le tain. It's kind of unnatural to be talking out loud to yourself. Well, to my kind of lipse, I'm talking to you on TikTok here, I guess, on camera. Full saying that's a sort of hashtag. Even so, it feels kind of unnatural, really. But I said, mil word níos rusta a kind le dunne It's much easier to be talking to someone. There's here fin cin cúnda so gaile. Nos go má Ilean ára tá Ilean ára na cún na gaile bheith. Is gaile me mar sin a fáin mar rá. Is fachsa doch much gailge gur gailge is do gailge chun am ára tá na teir Ilean ára. Well gailge ára nach gailge na soir tá tifratíte gailge na soir gailge chun am árach ó bonus na tá gailge chun am ára gailge chunachta. Gailge chun am ára mar cymryd siwle o'n cheist, whoops. Be me got on a click hella ruddy cur be me being fashion me my cur jelly less a crowd of bill. Sometimes I'm afraid I might accidentally end the crowd of bill. As there's film some hurling against Cork. Vi achla finne mush. Vi achla for gojoa. Vi sa har king har bar a fat. Vi me and sauce the Joe. I was over the moon. We mach a sauce. Níor thug mór an daoine seans go háile rih mé héin san áir a bhí mé héin cepa stoi go mór fa corca ach bhí an go mar seans a cup. I knew God would have a chance, but bhí me cheap mé héin go mór fa corca. I thought myself before the game that Cork would probably win. Ach má sásta go bhá gaile an sásta go Joe. Agus se bhfuil ein ní le cheiste le seo go fóil ní le cheiste le comment le ní tá má go donna sometimes click on something and sometimes I think I'm blocking someone or I'm ending the thing see ní canar ní by accident seems to. And so here in a sayer we say, so if we want to say something, someone who did something intentionally or on purpose, we say canar nai Yun sa sin, or yun she a sin, or yun shead a sin, canar nai, on purpose. So, so yun canar nai, that's what we say here. Tá mai ceap go na mar as áitcha ort ar brúdaí tá mai míart é réon taras a be. Tá mai ceap mar go le mó tá mai ceap áitcha go na mar a go níart é réon taras. A sin tá mai ceap níart a dúda é leitsin ar agus muo agus chur na múna agus níos go níart na ngáil. Ach cínte teann na saoir canar nai. Canar yun cha sin canar nai. Yun chia sin canar nai. Canar nai. Ach dain ghló gorca gain ghló sin a deirtead gorca si réid cairí go mar leis ceall is cos go bin si do gorca gailtacht gorca be ach ceannar in a saoir ceannar nai na hair dain is chun mar a steach teo amsa as bím se caintlop as bí mar mas tú sin ceannar nai mas tú ceannar nai a sin ní vín sa cupkit means mar they haven't a clue what I'm saying. Sometimes people from Connemara agus my thought sin chile leis go honey kin germas and ocean no price sort of kin germa chaid euro sin chaid cent chaid a cool cent 45 germas chaid in the sair chaid and it's Cearcha Connemara agus in the smeáin deirtead Cearcha a teann in the sair chaid mar se chaid euro se chaid cent chaid. As freisin is ma hois fi jar vi ma ra tjena mo dra kana nai ma yon ma kana nai yon no yon she no yon chi no yon much yon not runne tjena yon ma DHEIN nach yon. Maar yon yon dasnish kenos no yon to chodja por baile. Jerach moet rimsa na we make skyl vato mile benach. Jerach shaim. Yon to chodja por baile ni se turcha yon to chodja por baile. Agus Dominic Jern near yon. Ach al yon cower fa noch yon mo chodja por baile stai. The hard time, the cower fa noch yon mo chodja por baile. Yon ma mo chodja por baile. Ach near hainer por baile no. Okay. Ein mag maken. We maar even Matthäus ook. Matthäus ook. If there's any young people in the live stream, biggie John could toch het op baile dus big always do your homework. Dat big is toch lang set up listen to me. Okay. There's fun ten slanlib which samul maar ta kaid an awainam os kerkolor sne slan fun agus hele ta ma sartu gale sleifer tinnis be galor torren kom leskal mas sneifert jelle maar sneifert so we say sneifert here sneifert is that's what we say here in Eleanor for sneezing sneifert maar sneifert chinnish maar sneifert maar dat is so gal ik ken nog say green voor chafoser gal even though it's not sunny niet say green voor ach dat say gal it's still bright that I gal maar Carol been solace or gal conscious or phone snifer something sometimes bright light kind of makes me sneeze I suppose snifert conscious phone or snifer ach Jersey carry stoi gur yn gair os sy'n gyd eich harla fin o par baile sy'n gyd eich harla ach I was made on to fuck a timer and couple of modelle ta khan modelle fuck a timer agus bezu gur ma couple nummer into time mata deina hert mata deina for cash name kunne marm kind I'll keep talking if people are asking questions. My cowring, my ball, as I was saying earlier, ball. And you can say our ball in the past tense, and you can say our ball in the future tense later, and the ball, as I was saying earlier. Which vads of I frusta. Laurt or kind now means thing if you're a question much a bug nach hanus va kind it's almost like talking to someone when someone asks you a question on the thing on TikTok no noch more an question on but I sort juckers just kind kind so I can imagine this will lean Scooby-Doo so well couple no medalla as it's in by arm Gene Ariana I'll have to put down the dinner go guide it shortly no imagine this will my click it out is it in the least Will Nina Kestel will Gern will so will tan Tom Garva Kache, tan Tom and Garva. So that's a nice way of soon or shortly. You can say ingar ever. Ingar ever. Masha Tasha ngar ever kache. It's almost gone or over. The time tan Tom ngar ever kache. The time is almost elapsed, I suppose. Spent kache. Elapsed. Masha ni more on Focky. So that's a nice way, ingar. You don't hear many when learners, people who are learning, they follow more smooth time or YouTube or TikTok. So it's just like a jazz. Ingar. Oh, that's ingar nam tea. That's it. Oh, then timer catch. Just my couple no model is a chin kind of arm. That's nam tea. It's almost tea time. Nam tea. That's nam tea. So it's a nice way of saying it, almost. No changar that's shacht, that's a fichon shacht. That's a fichon shacht. So maybe when it's closer to 7 o'clock, mar hoopla, could nog say cook on the shaft, jack on the shaft. Say, for example, it's 10 to 7 or 5 to 7, you'd say, oh, that's hang out of a shaft, isn't it? That's hang out of a shaft. It's almost 7 o'clock. Hang out of a. So it's a good chest. That's my just good chest. So it's just that's not right. Hang out of a. I was as Tashay, and it is. There's Kieran Crystal, make Crystal. I barely know to read or to pronounce Kaja Emilia Falsi, but I could listen to yourself all day. Oh, come on, my fair Kieran. Yeah, I like smile much no hostel. I like to hear that. Tama general route kinch cart marsha, I must be doing something right, so Kasha go well. Must be Kasha go well. Kasha go well. Well, that's cafe. CRETHFIDH. Cafe. And then SE for the Kasha go well, but with fluency native here and how we say it here in Connemara. The Kasha. Oh, Kasha go well. Kasha go well. Kasha must be. Must be. Kasha go well. Kasha, imagine the root kitch cart. I must be doing something right. Kasha go well. That much couple nomad our injury time, so we're a few minutes over injury time. Just one elevated is it's in Connemara. One more question and then I'll head off. But Connemara, I'll be off. Just one elle. One more question. Just one elle. Because there's Kieran McChrystal generalized. You are indeed. I might just finally take the plunge and bloody start to learn. Oh, my fair Uhain, Kieran, come on, smile much nachlas tell. So we'll cut to tossing watch, can't you have to start somewhere? Masha. Come on. Anvar fad. Well, Mardur ma cut to tossing watch, can't you have to start somewhere? Because just smile much nachlas tell. Kerkalor Masha. Yeah, go in rodella ram and is go forward. Spade Neil somebody on the make hang on the fish and change the reach can I might do another one of these live streams and YouTube. Better mesh. I can't Google like the better shaft and Neil Sam. It might be 4 or 5 days, maybe a week until I do another one. Well, Guramagi Cholochan Lack Porch as an Crowd of Bio. Thank you everyone who participated in the live stream and that asked me questions. Because it makes a huge difference. Just Jeffrey Joe, just Ruth Viney's Frusta. Because there's Kylie na Gael vi high consultata kind so. Well, Kylie na Gael vi masas Gael na bakle do connas kin choi. So Connacht Irish, we don't say connas. That's learnt making up Irish. Kin choi, so CE had the N, then choi. CHOI. So kinchoi, kichotu kunal, how you keep it. So Kylie na Gaileve, na bakle de chonas, kunne de kinchoi. Falreide de chonas, kunne de kinchoi. Get rid of your chonas, but keep your kinchoi. That's what we say in Connacht. Ga je Connacht. Come on, I just used the translation of this. Kerkalor. That's okay. There's Oran McMahon. How can I join? Well, to my creach nonis, I'm finishing up now. So, maybe if you're in the next live stream I do, whenever that is. You might be able to join. Come engineer Rachel, but I have to prepare the dinner now. How's the weather there? You're Kylie na Gaileve. It's okay. The weather's okay. It's only okay. It's dry anyway. Dunkje means in this context kind of foggy. It was dense fog, relatively dense fog. Ja, dunkje, over kind of foggy, misty all day. That's a dunkje. I'll see you in a week or so, sure. There's Kieran. Okay, Kerkalor, fuck much it in there. Fuck much it in there. Gurmag English, Slanish, Gurmagi, Slan. And now, I guess Gurmagi Hulachan YouTube, I guess. Mata ein kesh home. If you have any questions for me, you can leave it down below, and I'll do my best in my yell. I'll do my best to answer any questions in the comments or whatever, and I can reference your name or username or whatever in the next video. Kerkalor, fág muid sinna sné mar slán go fóil.